Hello people, now I'm going to show you how to do tricks in the Rubik's Cube. This is a trick I'm going to show you. It's a simple, easy trick. I know it looks complicated, and I'll show you how to put it all right. Okay. This is how you do the Rubik's Cube. When I say left, I mean left. When I say left, I mean left. So right, I mean right. Up, down, back, front. Now watch. Now watch. Now watch. Right, left, pivot middle, pivot back, bring it, pivot back, pivot forward, and you complete. But the common mistake that people make is this mistake. Let me just show you. It's really hard to do the mistake. I'll try to do it. No. This. Okay. Now watch. So you go easy to do. When they put, like say yellow, they put it on green, on the white part, and this, they think they're actually completing it, but they're not. This is what happens. They only complete two sides. But to do it, I'll show you the easy way. Then like you turn the whole thing, turn the color, turn it back. It still doesn't work. So what you do? So you start from the beginning of that. Put it like that, and the way to put it back. Just follow the lead, see? Okay, I'll see you coming up to me again, okay, bye.